Hey nail babes, this is the design that we're doing today. Big shout out to Wonderland Nails for the inspo. We're going to go in with Not Polished Hotline Bling as our base color, and then we're going to go ahead in with that Cooper Matte top coat to give us the base that we need to do all of our artwork. Going in with some white gel polish, we're going to go ahead and start on this eyeball. You can use a dotting tool or a liner brush, just whatever floats your boat. So you want to do 3 dots. You want to do 1 for the big eye and then 2 droopies coming down off the eye, and then just draw a line up to connect them. Then I'm going in with Evil Eye colors to make this eye in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and outline with some black gel polish. Now to get into some more details of the monster, I'm going to go ahead and draw his scrunchies and his little saggy pieces. It's okay, Mr. Monster. Everybody has saggy pieces. It's not just you. Now I'm going in with some red gel polish to add the irritation in the eye. It looks like he needs some Claritin, but I don't have any for him. I was trying to make the lines really cute, but then I messed up, so then I stopped caring, and I think it came out even better. So don't care, girl. The more you care, the uglier it's going to be. And then I'm going to go in with some dark blue mixed with some blacks to do some more of that detailing in the light blue area. And now I'm going in with some white highlights because I'm fancy. Then going in with my Cooper Shine top coat because you know I love the shine. There we go. We got a monster. I'll see y'all in the next Halloween tutorial.